Good morning. So, I am winded because I had to walk up and down the stairs. But anyways, I am going to try to film a come thrift with me, and I've decided to do that now, spontaneously. So, we'll see how this goes. Oh, my messy kitchen. So, it's a sale day. Don't know how much footage I'll film, but I'll try my best because it'd be so cool to show you guys the process of me thrifting as a small shop owner now. Also, don't mind the look today. This is kind of just what I look like when I thrift, because I mean business, baby. Okay, so yeah, let's go thrifting. We are in the car. We are in the parking lot. It is 10 a.m., which is actually really early for me on a Sunday because I like to sleep in. But we gotta do what we gotta do. So while I'm here, I should probably go inside soon because I want a cart. But while I am here, I want to go over my essentials. Am I going through puberty? Step one for me when it comes to thrifting is wear comfortable clothes. So I am literally wearing like a drawstring. You can't see it, but trust me, I'm wearing a drawstring, pants, this oversized sweater, which I think I always wear this orange sweater or orange yellowy sweater every time I thrift. And this jacket here, so this jacket is just a Sherpa jacket, and it's really lightweight, and it's like negative, I don't know, 20 here right now, and I'm wearing very thin clothing, and that's just because when you're going thrifting, man, it's a workout, y'all. You don't want to wear a thick jacket, okay? I also make sure I always have hand sanitizer with me because, y'all, I have the worst immune system in the world. I have this, so this is my bag of choice. I always bring reusable bags because look, there's no Planet B, okay? And my bag of choice is this IKEA one because it's huge. Of course, you need your moolah, baby. So, yeah, let's do some thrifting. We'll see how much footage I can do or film because sale days can be a little crazy. Yes, baby, we're here. And oh my God. We've got carts. I'm excited. Okay, there's so many carts here. Oh my God, so good. Like nobody's here because it's like, you know, it just opened, but also because the weather is so bad, nobody's here. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Okay, let's do it, ladies. Okay, so I didn't mention it, but I am looking for more spring attire, and that's just because spring is coming up and I want to get the shop ready for that. So I'm going through all the sleeveless stuff right now. And then we're going to tackle the rest of these sections. Like, I'll still look at sweaters, but I think my main focus is probably more spring attire. So that's the game plan. Oh my Lord, I am hitting the freaking silk mother load. Like, oh, I'm obsessed. Look how pretty it is. Oh. Oh my God. Stop. This, oh, is this a dress? Because it's adorable. Oh my God. Oh my Lord. Oh my God. So cute. Look, I've been here for maybe 10 minutes and I don't want to be dramatic, but this might be the best thrift day yet. Also, you could probably tell by the really crappy quality, I've switched over to my cell phone, or my iPhone, because I got too shy to vlog with my actual camera. So, sorry about the quality. So I'm in like the long sleeve section, like blouses, and I was just in the tank top section, which is like over there. Everyone is in the sweater section, it seems, which is, I'm not complaining, which means I can really take my sweet time going through these racks. I've actually been running super low on like pants on the shop. I'm so happy that people have been purchasing, but I haven't been able to restock it as quickly as I'd like. I just haven't found anything that is worth reselling, I guess, and I guess I'm really picky, so hopefully I can find some good pants today because I do really seriously need a restock, especially on denim, but I went through the denim and I found nothing. I'm sad. So I found 3 pairs of pants, which isn't bad. I don't know if I love them. One of them is silk, one of them is linen, and one of them is leather. They're fun fabrics, but I haven't committed yet. So I just have them in the cart and we'll see, but yeah, I'm having a hard time with pants, man. All right, we are about like an hour and a half into this thrifting thing and my arms are freaking tired. I am very unfit, I realize. But we are now in the, what aisle are we in? Oh, the skirt aisle, duh. I'm a sucker for skirts, but unfortunately they don't seem to do well in my shop. But I love going to the skirt section anyways because I love skirts. I'm pretty girly, so I love skirts and I love dresses. But they don't typically do that well in my shop, so I try not to spend too long in this section. I just ran into a celebrity, everyone. Yao Ming, what you doing up there? What up, Yao? Okay, but seriously, like, this is actually really well made. But like, why'd they have to add the armpit hair? Why they gotta do them like that? Alright, I think we are at the end stretch of this thrifting adventure, which means it is time for me to go through this entire cart and pick out which items I want. Ah, 3 hours later, but we are finally out of Value Village. Oh my gosh, guys. I feel like it was pretty successful. I did put away like majority of the items I found because they didn't go with my brand or I didn't love them. And like I said, I'm very, very curated, very, very picky when it comes to supplying inventory for my brand. So I'm tired. I'm really, really hungry. But today is not over for me. I gotta drop off some packages at the post office, so I'm gonna do that first, and then I gotta go to Home Depot to pick up white paint. I don't know why I'm telling you this. This is not part of the video. I will see you later. We will do a haul of everything I picked up because hauls are freaking fun, so why not? So I will see you soon. We'll do a haul and we'll wrap up this come thrift with me. Okay, so I lied. I did film a haul portion to this video, but it's not included in this video because this video would be way too long if I included it. So that's actually going to be a part 2 to this video, the haul portion, which will be out soon, I promise. I've already edited. It's basically done, is what I'm trying to say. I hope you guys enjoyed the first part to this video, and I hope you are excited for the second part. Yeah. Alright, I hope you enjoyed. Okay, bye. Bye.